What if I told you that one of the most important AI researchers in Asia, someone cited over 8,000 times by scientists worldwide, has been working out of a university in Manila this whole time? Not Silicon Valley, not Tokyo, not London, Manila. Dr. Elmer P. Dadios grew up in Mindanao, where he took his bachelor's in electrical engineering at Mindanao State University in Marawi. He then moved to Manila for his master's in computer science at De La Salle University, and from there earned a full PhD in manufacturing engineering, specializing in robotics and intelligent systems at Loughborough University in the UK. Here's what's remarkable about that last part. He finished it in just 2 years. A doctorate in 2 years. He then came back to the Philippines and he stayed. Nowadays, kapag sinasabi ng mga tao na AI or neural networks or anything related actually, ang unang pumapasok sa isip natin might be ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and marami pang iba. At bago pa ang lahat ng yan ay naging mainstream, Dr. Dadios was already working on artificial neural networks and fuzzy logic systems, even before the world took the concept of artificial intelligence seriously. He has published over 600 research papers indexed in Scopus and IEEE, yung sinasabing gold standard databases para sa mga engineering research. He has written books on fuzzy logic and automation, and his work spans across some of the most pressing problems you can think of: smart agriculture, disaster response robotics, computer vision, intelligent manufacturing, and many others. These aren't abstract lab experiments. These are solutions built with the Philippines in mind. But here's where his story gets really interesting, because it's not just about what he discovered, it's about what he built. Dr. Dadios co-founded the HNICEM IEEE Conference, an international research conference that today accounts for 2% of all Philippine Scopus publications across every discipline. Think about that. One conference, co-founded by one person, responsible for a measurable chunk of the entire country's global scientific output. His smart agriculture research addresses something very real: Filipino farmers dealing with labor shortages, unpredictable water supply, and limited resources. He is applying AI not to make tech companies richer, but to help the people who grow our food. Globally, Asian Scientist magazine named him one of Asia's top 100 scientists. The National Research Council of the Philippines gave him a Lifetime Achievement Award in 2022, and in 2023 he was inducted as an NAST academician, the single highest scientific recognition this country gives. Over 8,400 citations. That means researchers all over the world, in laboratories you've never heard of, in countries you might never visit, are building their own work on top of his. I think what strikes me most about Dr. Dadios isn't the number of papers nor the awards. It's a choice that he made. Meron siyang PhD from a UK university, credentials to build a career anywhere in the world, and yet umuwi siya. Umuwi siya ng Pilipinas. We live in a time where brain drain is a real conversation, where the Philippines loses talented people to opportunities abroad, and you almost can't blame them. But Dr. Dadios is a reminder that choosing to stay isn't giving something up. Sometimes it's exactly where the most important work needs to happen. Dr. Elmer P. Dadios, engineer, researcher, and proof that world-class science can come from right here.